Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to Tito Ryan's guitar lesson. First of all, I would like to say thank you to Tax for this hat and also for my t-shirt. I would like to shout out to Mom Doris and Sir Jake for this one. It's a lovely t-shirt. Our lesson today is about Oasis, the most wanted song, Wonderwall. And what you need to have before you start learning the song is you need your capo or capo and put it on the 2nd fret. Our chords for the intro is E minor, but then with these two chords, I don't know how you call this one. Is it E minor 7, odd something, 9, 10, 13, whatever. So we'll just call it E minor. And then it goes to G. And it goes to D suspended. And then it goes to A7 sustain. So A sus or A7 sus, and goes back again to E minor. Alright, and then the strumming, 2 strums for your E minor, and then when you move to G, and then you move to your D, and then you move to your A. So something like that, because I think as the song progresses, the strumming is evolving. But to simplify it, just 2 downstrokes and then up down down, and then same up down down, and that's your intro slash verse. So today is gonna be the day that is gonna throw it back to you. By now you should have somehow realized what you got to do. So that's the verse. And then pre-chorus. So we go to C and then goes to D. Mind you, everything that we're doing, this one stays. So C goes to D and then E minor, twice on the E minor, back to C, to D and E minor again. Okay, and then on the 3rd time, C, D, instead of E minor it goes to G and then slash F sharp and then E minor, and then goes to A7 sustain. Alright, shall we do pre-chorus again? I know the roads we have to walk are winding. I know the lights that lead us there are blinding. There are many things that I would like to say to you, but I don't know how. Alright, so just to simplify, you got C and then D, and then when you start with the E minor, you can do the down, down, up, down, down, and then back again to just single. Lights that lead us there are blinding. There are many things that I would like to say to you. You can just keep doing just one strum. C, D, and then G, then slash F sharp, and then E minor. and then the last chord is A7 sustain, and then we go to the chorus. Chorus is C to E minor, and then G to E minor again. And then the strumming is the same as the intro. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Then G, down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Alright? 'Cause maybe you're gonna be the one that saves me. So it just goes on and on. C, and then G, and it stops on E minor, and then goes back again to the verse. Alright? The sequence is verse 1, then goes to verse 2, then goes to pre-chorus, and then chorus, and then goes to verse 3, pre-chorus, and then chorus. And that's pretty much it. So all you need to do is just to remember that the chords and the strumming pattern, intro and verse is the same. Down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, or down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, and again. And then just go straight to verse 2, and then goes to pre-chorus, which is C, and then D, E minor, C, D, E minor, and then C, D, and then goes to G, F sharp, E minor, and then ends with the A7 sustain twice. Then chorus, which is C, E minor, and then G, E minor, and C, and G, and then again, and it stops on E minor, and then back to the verse again. And then pre-chorus, then C, D, and then E minor again. C, D, and then G, F sharp, E minor, and then A7 sustain twice, and back again to chorus. That's pretty much how the song goes, and you just need to learn the words. Not very good singer, but all you need to do is either play the track and then you play along with the track, or learn the words and sing while you're playing. So yeah, or get a singer who will sing for you while you're playing the song. So that's Wonderwall by Oasis, a simple guitar tutorial from your Tito Ryan. We'll see you again soon, guys. So bye-bye. Ciao.